We got Chase Summer here with his 2002 Pro White 4Runner, 4-wheel drive. We're about to put a lift kit on it.
As fuck.
We ran with the OME coil setup up front. We got 881s in the front, 890s in the back,
right?
And we went with Bilstein shocks.
5100s for the 4Runner. They're 4Runner 5100s.
And for wheels and tires, we got
they're the Trail Edition TRD wheels that you see on all the Trail Editions.
With 33
Duratracs, two 85/70/17s.
At the same time, we're going to be doing a Tundra front brake upgrade as well.
The big Tundra, the 232 mil.
With the big calipers. So, let's get started. Alright, we're about to take off the front strut and spring assembly. First, you got to take out the bottom bolt that connects it to the lower control arm. That'll take the stress off of it. And then up top, you've got 3 nuts up here that are 14 mil. And when you take that off, you can take the whole assembly out as a whole. We'll take out the bottom bolt first. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Taking the skid plate off so that we can access the bolts that secure in the differential to the K-member of the subframe here. What we're going to do is take these bolts out while supporting the differential, and we're going to put a spacer right here to accommodate the lift so the center line is the same for the CV axles so you don't wear them out prematurely. Alright, spacer, new bolt, longer, has to have it. And then tighten it up with a new nut, nylon, self-locking. Alright, so because of dropping the differential, this skid plate is going to hit right there. So because of that, we add in the kit special washers and longer bolts to adapt to the new height. Alright, so now we're moving on to the rear shocks. It comes with bushings, washers, and a new lock nut. It's very important. You got bushings that are tapered fit. Obviously, they go taper side in. It's critical. When you slide this onto the vehicle, you need to have this washer on there. That way when you tighten it down, you squeeze the bushings together. On the top, this is also very important. Washer first. Bushing. Put it in the vehicle. Bushing. Washer. Nut. If you do not do this, it will make noise. Let's do it right the first time. Nut in, washer on, bushings, tighten it up. Alright, next we gotta line it up and put it underneath the vehicle. We're gonna use a jack stand to lower the differential onto it and help push that shock into its location. So we're installing the rear bracket kit for the Panhard bar on Chase's 3rd gen 4Runner. And what this is going to allow us to do is correct the difference in the angle for the Panhard bar. So before we weld on this bracket that we got, we're going to have to grind down the area to make sure we get a good weld.